So let me just refresh your mind. That day, when we had the first of office bearers meeting, you people insisted me, hey, tell me the name of the candidate. So this evening is the day for us to declare officially the name of the candidates from both the constituencies. One is Shillong Parliamentary Constituency and number 2 is Tura Parliamentary Constituency. So I'm so happy to now declare, after getting the clearance from the Honorable National President, Shri Agatha Sangma, the approval for the proposed candidatures of these two constituencies. So I'm happy to tell you that Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, it has been approved that Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh will be our official candidate. And number 2 from Tura Parliamentary Constituency, Mrs. Agatha Sangma, sitting MP, will be our official candidate in the upcoming MP election 2020.